Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Nau mai haere mai ki te kura o ngā tama tāne o Heretaunga. Ka Mātakitaki koutou ki ngā kura e rua. Ko ngā tama tāne o Heretaunga. Me raukura ki te tākaro tuporo.
Connection here, connection!
Good hopu from PJ Pavey. Heretaunga under pressure right now. Rotorua using their forwards. Pushing over, creeping up to their try line. Good running. Rotorua bringing their line up, using their forwards. Ah, beautiful try. Number 6, Solomone Mailulu. A nice run and good contact from Eli Southwick. Nehemiah, Tana, bit of a gap there. John Lameko, number 11. Oh, beautiful running, John Lameko. Number 11 for Heretaunga. Good line now from Rotorua. And good work from the forwards. And a beautiful try, Rotorua. Tariki Rogers, I believe. Tariki Rogers, beautiful hopu from him. And another beautiful liner from Rotorua. Still yet to fail in those. Good pushing from Rotorua's forwards. Rotorua striving over their try line once again. Eli Southwick, Israeli. Good work from Heretaunga. They're fighting for their try. The halfback, Tiariki Joseph Maui. Israeli. Oh, beautiful running from Israeli there. From PJ Peavy, number ono for Heretaunga. Tariki Rogers, strong runner. Rotorua creeping up to their try line again. And a beautiful try from Rotorua. Eli Southwick again. Israeli, the veteran. Rotorua getting over that ball. Back to the left side of Heretaunga. Nehemiah, the speed on this prop, Nehemiah. I think we've seen a bit too much of Israeli there. Pants came down a bit too far. Penalty Heretaunga. Ah, beautiful whana there from Tana. And a beautiful line out there. Putting their forwards back into play, Heretaunga. PJ off the ball at the back. Still pushing. Try Heretaunga. Beautiful work from them. Tana. Israeli. The veteran, 51st game today. Back out to the left side. Oh, beautiful ritsu from Rotorua there. Eleven minutes to go in this game. Heretaunga take the lead, 29 points to 28. Good running from Rotorua. Back for the penalty. Kicking for this whana tautopenga. Beautiful kick there, beautiful whana from Tukotahi. Good blowing over from the Heretaunga boys. Nehemiah Lauvault. Another good run slipping through there. Penalty Heretaunga. Tana moving up. Yeah. Good kick from Tana. Getting their lead back over Rotorua. 33 points to 31. Penalty, Rotorua. You can hear the sort of support. Tukotahi. Okura have done it. The victors over Heretaunga. Rotorua Boys, 34 points. Heretaunga, 33.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.